Assalamu alaikum. I would like to reach my message to every Muslims, the mouthpiece of BJP in India, who have revoked my Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who is the pioneer of Islam. He is the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who is the soul and Imam of Muslims. Now we can't tolerate this kind of speech about the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Every time, every era, Muslims didn't abuse, but non-Muslims hate the Muslims. Now we want to rebate them about the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, where Allah doesn't tolerate any slang word and any slang expression about his friend. So we can't tolerate any slang word about the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Oh non-Muslim, be aware of my Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Be aware, because respecting the dignity of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a fundamental part of the faith of Muslims. From the time of the companions to the present day, at last I would like to say that it is high time every Muslims unified in the world, as well as we should avoid the conspiracy of non-Muslims.